Hello friends, I am PJ Lagrawal and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video we are going to learn how you can create this 3D model with the help of SolidWorks. So let's get started. So friends, this is the drawing with the help of which we are going to create a solid model. So for this friends, we will create a new file and here we will select part because we are going to do part modeling. So friends see, interface of SolidWorks has been opened. Now we will create a sketch. For this we will have to select a plane. So here I am selecting front plane. So now friends, first of all I will create these things, these two circles and these two circles and two slots. So let's create these things. So friends, this is our first circle and this is our second circle. Third circle and fourth circle, and now we will select straight slot. Here we want two slots. Now friends, we will give dimensions. So let's see what are the dimensions. So friends, see, outer circle diameter is 40 and the inner circle diameter is 25. Here 22 and its inner circle diameter is 14. And here friends, see, radius of this circle is 10 and length is 25 and its thickness is 9. So let's create it. So its diameter is 40. This diameter is 25. Now inner circle diameter is 14 and the outer circle diameter is 22. And this radius is 10. Length is 25 and the thickness is 9. See friends. Now friends, here is a relation between this center and this center. Both the centers lie in one line. So friends, now we will specify the location of these two circles with respect to this one. So for this, first we will create center lines. It is our first center line and this one is second. So friends, angle between these two center lines is 40. 45. And there is a relation between these 2 points which is horizontal. And friends, distance between this point and this point is 50. See friends, this point and this point is 50 and from this point and this point is also 50. See friends, now these two circles have turned black. Means this is fully defined. Now it will also become fully defined when we will give dimensions. So it is also 100. So friends, see, our sketch has been fully defined. So we will create other things like these two lines and these two lines. So friends, see, here is distance 25. So we will create two straight lines. Double click. Now here also on line up to this circle, double click. So friends, see, lines has been created. Similarly, we will create two lines here also, and after it we will give a relation. So friends, let's get dimensions here. It is already defined 25. So we will cancel it because we don't need to define it again. So friends, now we will establish relation between this line and this circle and this line and this circle. So friends, here is the relation tangent. So friends, see, tangent relation. Similarly friends, This relation between this line and this circle is also tangency. Now see friends, this line has also been fully defined, but these points are not fully defined. So here coincident. This point and this circle coincident. Same relation we will establish between these circles and this line also. Tangent, and relation between this circle and this point is tangent. Sequence. Sorry, coincidence. And relation between this line and this circle is tangency. And this point, relation between this point and this circle is coincidence. So see friends, now our sketch has been fully defined. Now we will extrude our sketch. So for this, we will go in the futures, and here we will select extrude boss base command. So friends, now first of all, we will extrude these two regions. This region and this region. Here length is 16. 16, and here we will not keep blind. Here we want it to mid plane. Means here 8 and opposite side also 8. So see friends, it has been extruded. Now friends, we will select the same sketch and extrude it again. This time friends, we will extrude this region, and length of this region is 45. Here, at this time also we will select the mid plane, and thickness we are going to give it 45. See friends, now it is going equally both sides. Again same sketch, extrude. Now friends, this time we are going to select these two regions, this region and this region, and length for both this region is same, which is 10. Here we are giving 10, and we will keep it mid plane. See friends, equal on the both sides. See friends, now our sketch has been extruded. Friends, now here is a slot. Now we will create a slot which is 6 mm wide and 2.4 mm deep. So for this, we are going to select this plane, and here we will select sketch. So let's create a counter bore. Let's create a bore. So for this friends, we will create a rectangle. We will create a rectangle. So here our rectangle has been created. And now friends, I want to make symmetric relation. So for this, I will create a center line. And friends, I will establish relation between this line and this line, symmetric. See friends, now both these lines, this line and this line, have become symmetric with respect to this line. And distance is 6 mm. Now friends, we will specify the distance between this line and this point. So friends, this distance is 14.9. See friends, this distance is 14.9. So we don't need to change it. Friends, this distance is 14.9 because here depth is 2.4 and diameter of this circle is 12.5. So 12.5 plus 2.4 is equal to 14.9. So once here see. Now friends, we will use cut extrude. So see friends, here I am choosing through all. See, it is going up to the end. So see friends, a slot has been created. So friends, now we will have to give some fillets. Here see, fillets and rounds are 3. So for this friends, we will choose fillet command. And here we will give radius 3. And we will select all these edges. This edge and these two edges. This edge and this edge. So friends, see. So friends, we have created the model. So friends, now we will give some material to it. For this, go here in appearances. In this, we will select metal. Here friends, let's select bronze and bronze, brushed bronze. So friends, see. Material has been applied. So friends, our solid model has been created. So friends, I really hope you have understood it how to create a solid model in SolidWorks. So friends, if you have understand it fully and if you like my video, to please like it, share it. And for keep learning these kind of things, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.